Hello everybody, my name is Sergey. Welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. And thanks to your incredible support, our journey continues with Pokemon The Legendary Trainer, Volume 2. In my previous Pokemon The Legendary Trainer video, I threw down the gauntlet, promising the follow-up if we reached 50 likes. Well, here we are, all thanks to you. As they said, here comes a new challenge. Here's a challenge. Please stick around till the end. I would need your help with this game. And if this video reaches a whopping 100 likes, get ready for Pokemon The Legendary Trainer Volume 3. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All my PowerPoint games are yours to download for free. Just check out the link in the description below. And a special shout out to the incredible talented music producer, JadeJohnson Industries, for consistently providing the amazing tunes for my games. You'll find the link to his channel in the description, so be sure to drop by and say hello. Now let's get ready to jump into the most electrifying and even more immersive gaming experience in PowerPoint with this new Pokemon The Legendary Trainer Volume 2. PowerPoint Games. In my first game, we discovered the thrill of capturing Pokemon and the excitement of gathering points based on a Pokemon card. To make Volume 2, I invested over a month refining the game mechanics to bring an experience that closely mirrors the original Pokemon excitement, while fostering player engagement for students and user-friendly navigation for teachers. And of course, I've included question slides with 3 answer boxes based on a poll in my YouTube community. So, I've expanded our Pokemon adventure to accommodate not just 2, but 4 players. That's right, the more the merrier. To kick off the game, each player will have the opportunity to choose their initial Pokemon, setting the stage for an epic quest ahead. From there, it's all about unraveling the map and venturing to find another Pokemon. Each player's goal is to capture 6 Pokemon, and the first to achieve this formidable task will emerge as the Pokemon champion. On a map, players will find 6 Pokemon locations. Each location will have a question. And then you will move to the next slide to catch a Pokemon. I will show how to modify the questions later. On a battle slide, instead of 4 options like in our original game, I've made only 2 options: attacking and catching. Players will only have 2 Pokeballs to use, so use them wisely. Each Pokemon will have different power attack, but the damage from them will be the same. If you would like to change this later, please let me know in the comments. Let me tell you about tricky battle buttons. Both attack and catch buttons set to random. When you press on a button, you won't know what result it might get you. It will depend on how you press on a button. I've also incorporated an intriguing battle text box at the center bottom of the screen, providing players with essential information and aiding to the overall immersive experience. It's crucial for players not to rush their actions during battles, as it could disrupt the flow of text in a box. By waiting for the text to fully appear, players can enjoy a seamless and captivating gaming experience. Strategic gameplay is key. The best time to catch a Pokemon is during a critical hit. But what happens if luck doesn't favor your Pokemon ball throw? Fear not, failed attempts will earn players those elusive coins, adding an intriguing twist to the game. At the game's thrilling finale, these coins become the key to spinning the mystical spinner, offering a chance to obtain additional Pokemon without engaging in battle. The ultimate game changer. However, beware, Players can only store up to 3 counts for this final showdown. Now let's get into how to modify the questions. Each player has 6 questions to answer. Just select the question box and 3 answer boxes, then simply move them aside. This way you'll match the right answers to their respective questions. If you run into any issues with this, let me know in the comments. So why am I asking for your help with this awesome game? Well, I want to hear all about your experience with the game. Please let me know if there is anything you'd like to tweak. Your input is super valuable. Have a blast with the game. Don't forget to show your love by smashing that like button, and hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button too. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.